Unit 3, Recording 11. Listen and read. Nature reserves in Oman.
There are a lot of beautiful nature reserves in Oman, and they are all very different. Let's look at 3 of them.
Dimaniat Islands.
The 9 Dimaniat Islands are a marine reserve.
The fish, sharks, whales, and dolphins are safe in the sea around the islands. You can't visit the islands from May to October. That's because turtles lay their eggs on their beautiful beaches.
Jabal Samhan.
This nature reserve is in the mountains of Dhofar. There are great views of the sea from the top. Lots of animals live here, such as gazelles, wolves, and ibex. Did you know that one of the world's rarest animals also lives here? It's called the Arabian leopard.
Hor Ruri.
Hor Ruri is an important nature reserve where many fish, birds, and plants can live. Tourists love seeing the ruins of the old city of Sumaharam here.
Which nature reserve do you most want to visit?